Hello dear students, today's topic is stopping potential. So to explain the stopping potential, I have taken a photoelectric cell here which consists of two electrode A and electrode B. So before we discuss stopping potential, let's recall the photoelectric effect. What is photoelectric effect? In photoelectric effect, light is directed towards the metal plate, and if the frequency of light is high enough, then electron will eject from the metal and will travel towards the other plate. This is a photoelectric effect. So similarly, I have used this radiation here which is allowed to fall on the plate B, and electrons are ejecting from this plate B and travel towards the plate A. Okay, so this is photoelectric effect. This diagram shows the photoelectric effect only. Now suppose if we add a variable voltage source between these two plates like this and create negative charge on plate A. Okay, so as we know that electrons are also negatively charged particle, and this plate is also has the negative charge. So then electron will be repelled by this negative plate, and after a certain voltage difference, the repulsion between this plate and electron, okay, this plate and electron will increase so much that a point reaches when no electron have sufficient kinetic energy to move across this plate A. So this voltage difference is known as stopping voltage or stopping potential. Okay, so in simple words we can say that stopping potential should be at least equal to the kinetic energy of electron, so that their traveling can be stopped towards the plate A. So the value of V naught, which makes the velocity of electron 0, is known as stopping potential. So now we can read the definition. Stopping potential is the minimum potential at which photoelectric current becomes zero. Photoelectric current, which is due to the flow of electron, traveling of electron, which is becomes zero. So that voltage is known as stopping potential. And I have an alternative definition here. This is the potential difference. Stopping potential is the potential difference that is required to stop electrons from moving across the metal plates in a photoelectric effect. Okay, so this voltage difference denoted by V naught is known as stopping potential.